Hi there, Sherry Black here from Side X Side Enclosures. We're here to show you our new enclosure for the Polaris RZR XP 1000 Turbo. We just finished this design. We're just making upper doors for this, so it'll work with any roof, work with factory doors, any windshield, and any back car window. When you get your enclosure, you'll get a big roll of Velcro and a tube of adhesive promoter, and then if you order snaps, you'll get the snaps with it also. So what you're going to want to do to start out is take the Velcro, well, first take some rubbing alcohol and clean your roll cage, because we're going to apply the Velcro to the roll cage first. So after you clean it, make sure there's no oily substance on it. You'll take a little bit of this adhesive promoter, you just use a little paper towel, put on a thin layer, and what you're going to do is go right down this edge of the roll cage, right along your windshield here, and then up across the top, right underneath your roof, right across the roll cage here, and then just take some little pieces and fill in the gap here on the corners. So you'll put the adhesive promoter on first, let it dry, it'll be a little tacky, and then you'll put your Velcro on. I usually try to put the Velcro on in 4 or 5 inch pieces. That way they stick better than one long piece. You'll apply it again up the side of the windshield, around this little bend, and across the back. Then you'll take a little piece of Velcro, and right up where this hits, this back roll cage hits, you'll take a piece and just wrap it the whole way around the roll cage. Put it right there, and wrap around right here about 4 inches down. And then you'll start running pieces down the back, the straight back of the roll cage, clean down to right here. And that's kind of right on the back end of this back roll cage here. So once you get that in place, you'll take your doors. And this is how your doors are going to come. This is one side door. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is go ahead and unzip this little strip right here. Okay, that way you just have this little piece you're working with, and you can just set this aside for right now. Okay, a neat way to know how to start this, you'll want to make sure all these Velcro straps are all open. Okay, and a neat way to know how to start this is this second one in from the back. You'll see there's one strap that goes sideways, that's your back. The second one in is going to, if you have the factory roof, there's a little hole right here in the factory roof. This second strap in is going to fit right through that little hole and wrap around the roll cage. So you'll stick that, and that gives you a good starting point so you know where you're going to go with it. And then you're just going to take and stretch this right along the roll cage, and as you're going, you'll tuck these straps in, but don't wrap them around yet until you find out that they're exactly where you want them to be. But just tuck them up underneath your windshield. It's probably easiest if you take the windshield off, but I'm not doing that for this one, or loosen it up. And you're just going to go right down the edge of your windshield, tucking these in and sticking the enclosure down to the Velcro. And the reason I say it's easier to tuck them, or to take the windshield off or loosen it, these want to stick to the Velcro. So we'll just run it right down the edge, and this last one will be right down about where these roll cage bolts are. Wrap it around also. But don't tighten those yet until you make sure the enclosure is exactly where you want it to be. So then you'll go on to the back and do the same with your back. And this last strap that goes sideways is actually going to wrap around this back part of your roll cage. So it's just going to wrap right around and tucking it underneath the hard window, and I'll attach in that one. The rest of them I haven't attached yet. You can see they're all still loose so that I can move it a little bit. So at that point, you can take the rest of your enclosure, and this is the piece. This is the piece that's can always stay on your machine. So you'll never have to reinstall it again. This piece can stay on the machine, and so then it's as easy as doing this to put your enclosure back on. You just take and you start your zipper down here at the front. it up and into place. So now you can kind of get an idea. You know, we might be just a wee little bit too far forward on how we have this set, so we might want to loosen it up. But I think if I I'm sticking down here, that's why. So don't be afraid to stretch the material where you want it to be. The material is very heavy and it's going to hold up for you. You just stretch everything into place, and again, these straps you'll leave out for right now until you know it's set where you want it. Okay? And so then you can sit back and look and see if this is exactly where you like it. I think it looks pretty good. So at that point, you can go ahead and wrap all those straps around the roll cage. Then, if you have snaps, this is going to show you where you're going to want your snaps. You just go with Velcro. This will show you where to put the Velcro. So at this point, and I already put a few pieces, you can see I don't smear the machine with Velcro. I just put a couple pieces here and there, just in key areas where I want it to stay down good. And if you find you need more, just put another one in between. And again, you're going to put this on the same way with the adhesive promoter. But you can see I just put little pieces. I'd put a few more in here if this is just for demonstration for right now. But you know, I put a little piece here, I'd put a little piece here, another one here. And you can just see it holds it down real nice and tight. And again, up here, you'll put a couple of little pieces. You can see I just put little pieces to hold it down. So that's basically the installation. And then how it works is you just unzip your door. And yeah, you have to unzip the door every time you went in and out. Unzip your door, reach in, open your door. You can zip this down further and it'll stay back out of your way. Get in, there's a zipper pull inside. Once you're inside, you can just close the door and simply zip it right back up. And if you're out and it gets warm and you don't need your door anymore, you can actually just take this door part off too. Roll it up, put it in the storage bag we'll give you, and then when it cools down or if it starts raining or something, you can just take your door and zip it right back on. When I'm trying to rush to show how easy it is on a video, it always makes it more difficult. Just zip it right back on. There, you're good to go. And some people say that the zippers are inconvenient. If you're in and out of the machine an awful lot, you know, if you're in and out 20 times a day, it might be inconvenient. If you get in just for a ride, it's a good alternative to a hard enclosure and a lot more cost effective. It's just that simple to get in and out. Open your door and get in, close it back up. And then if you decide you're going to trailer the machine, or if you don't need your enclosure, if it's ready to come off for the summer, you just unzip this piece, take the whole enclosure off, roll it up and put it in a storage bag. All you're left with is this little piece that I haven't wrapped the straps back around, but you're just left with this little piece. So if you need the enclosure, if it's raining and you're riding in the summertime and you want the enclosure, it's very simple to put it back on, just a matter of seconds. Again, Sherry from Side X Side Enclosures, 724-614-7660, or visit our website, www.sidexsideenclosures.com. Thank you and have a good day.